Hi, my new product called It's the only cleaner strong enough to
Replace your kitchen.
my name in it.
Invincible's like your cleaner, all combined into this. Just add the Invincible. Invincible tablets even double as a cleaner booster. Just look at that difference. Check this out.
Relax. Just can't think. Just can't think. Just can't think.
Why spend all this money when all you need is just one bottle, free?
But when you clean your
It's so big.
All right, it is.
we can't do this all day. And here's some spaghetti sauce, all right? Mix it up. Zoom in on this, camera guy.
Let's do this all day. You know how messy you guys are. Think about all the shirts you're gonna save on this. Stop being a slob.
All right? We have
You'll get 20 Invincible tablets for $19.95.
we're also gonna give you snacks.
Here's how to order.
It was first spotted at midnight last night by a couple in romantic embrace.